Perfect. Okay. Now, we're going to put the dot right at the tip of where the shadow is.
So the shadows.
No, wait, not the compass shadow, the eraser shadow. There you go. See? Perfect.
Oh, I got it.
Good? Okay, and then you're going to make the dot of the shadow.
Like at the tip?
Yep.
I understand.
Perfect. Okay, who's next?
Why is it more like in now?
The shadow is what?
Like in the circle now?
It's a little bit shrinking, it looks like, right? That looks pretty good. Okay. Did you mark your shadow? Can you see a shadow?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Okay. Good labeling. And where's our last shadow? We labeled it already? Okay, let's... Did you get it?
Yeah. Okay.
Matt, your shadow's in
Where
the
is
way.
it? Can you point to the dot you just made? Okay. So at 9 a.m. where were we?
Sure.
And 11 a.m. and 1 p.m.
What?
Okay, so do you want to tell me what, can you point to 9 a.m.?
9 a.m.'s here, and 11 a.m. and then 1 p.m. So I think the sun moves, so it would, because it moved this way more.
Got it. Okay.
Sun is behind me.
It's really that hard to see.
I like how by William's feet we marked where his feet are. Make sure you mark where you're standing because otherwise it'll be really hard later, right? So does everybody have their feet marked? Good. Okay.
The sun is behind us and it's south. Where's my sideways shadow?
Oh. Remember that one?
3.
The sun is now southeast of us. Do you think it might have rained?
Okay, this is Mrs. Caputo and Miss Gilmore's class going from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then finally to 1 p.m. Okay. This is Mrs. Kaiserstadt's class, and the shadow moves from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, so this is Mrs. Wilson's class at 9 a.m., 11 a.m., and 1 p.m.